Hi, I'm Michelle with Residential Design Solutions. Welcome back to another episode of Front Porch Friday. Today's episode is about DIYs. Who doesn't love a good DIY? We're going to be talking about whether or not you should actually DIY or if you should call in the pros. The first thing you always want to do when starting a new project is to call your local city or municipality and make sure that a permit is not required for your project. Where I live, it is required to get a permit and have a pro install things such as gas hot water heaters. But you also might want a pro if it involves electricity. Installing these items on your own could be dangerous to you and to others around you. We don't want DIY to scare you away. So if it's something that you're unsure of, check out YouTube videos, ask friends that have done it before, do your research, and be honest with yourself on your skill level. But go ahead and give it a try if it's something you think you can accomplish, like, say, putting together IKEA furniture, installing a new closet system, or even painting. Another time to think about calling in the pros is when the project is more than you can handle yourself. If it's a project that requires 3 or 4 people and it's just you working on it, that can be dangerous. So whether you decide to do it yourself or call on the pros, have fun and take pride in your project. But most of all, be safe. Give us a like and a follow, check out our blog, and we'll see you next time on the Front Porch.